Reverend Padar James Ternyang haka arku sautrek ujaleu ula play ya ke program pensyai Peit ha Bosco Integrated Development Society nong thamai. Kajing temu jong kini ke program pensyai Peit kalong ban penbiang jakai Ialehkai ki Khynnah Hamadan Shnong. Campaign for strengthening safe environment for the children. Kenang bakin roy ke met kapat kajing mut jing perkhan bat kemensim ye it parlok hapading jongki. Hakani kejuk lasdang wanrung kerukom perkhat bethamai haki babun kishnong ki pelong ye ki madan ban wanra kamai. Kani kejing perkhat bat kejing le kabo ye ki Khynnah ha kejing ki bakrau ban yo ki jaka ni ki madan ban Ialehkai paramaki. Kani ke program la sandur daka child friendly Shillong Civil Society Cfscs ban kentiu bat ban yadai ke hok ki Khynnah ban he ban san. Kamat kersiu Peit hakini ke program kalong, mano banya dayanga. Manga bat mangi kalong kejupa. Kakong mati wajiri kalabatai hakini ke program da keboong, ngidon kamban penklan ke jingyada bat jingken tiu ye ki hok jong ki Khynnah ban roy ban san habarok ki liang jong kalong briu man briu, naduk kamet haduk ki jingbat jing perkat bat ki do anut jong ki. Kakong Banabel Kharsati Mobilization Office jong kini ke society kelasdang ye kini ke program batai Peit ahlor ki jingdan kambat kohok jong ki Khynnah ban yo ikjaka bat madan Ialehkai paramaki hasnong hathau kenang bikin roy kum ki brio bapura di napot. Kishnong ru kidei ban penbiang jaka Ialehkai na kebenta jong ki. Khamtam ha Shillong bun ki madan menta kila kelalong ki langka tingka bat kim ailat shu iki Khynnah ban Ialehkai ngobha paramaki kalaong. Kinohikai ki Khynnah school bat kilong kemilong kepa kilawan ban shimenta hakani ke program menta kasngi.
Jadi CRF from Nomlo, Mosia, Lumbatengah.
And all our partners, especially children, and all those who are part of this project of the child-friendly Shillong. So I am also completely new here, two weeks, but then I have been part of this project when I was in another office. So with great joy and satisfaction and thanks to God and to all those who are working hard for the rights of the children, we will launch this campaign of 2024.
It includes safeguarding children from physical harm, whether at home, school or in public places. And I think Sir Deep has already focused on that as well. So we look at home safety, school safety and public spaces. The second element is emotional and psychological safety. So physical safety is only one part of the equation. Emotional and psychological safety are equally important, which includes open communication, where we have to foster an environment where children feel comfortable expressing their feelings and concerns. We have to be active listeners and validate their emotions, which can then build trust and security. Then of course, mental health support and prevention of abuse. Then we have the third element, which is, an issue in this contemporary world, and that is digital safety. In today's digital age, online safety is a critical aspect of a child's environment. So we need parental control, we need to teach them about cyberbullying, as well as to be digital citizens. So that is why we need to equip children with the skills to navigate the internet safely. We cannot do away with our mobiles and internet connection. Then we have the last element, which is community involvement.
Child-friendly Shillong kedai project kabadan hapok jongka Bosco Integrated Development Society. Kajing tu jongka kalong ba ni amin siam iki Khynnah bakin wan cakmat bakin tur cakmat bakin nyekren bakin nyetu ejing jongki. Namar bun sin manta VGE ba iki Khynnah ngim ju alat iki bakin wan cakmat because ngi ong na fi dan Khynnah film dan kohok ban kren. Handai kajing tu jongka project jongi badai kamlong kopta. Kajing tu jongi kalong bangi ko bagi Khynnah ru kinong kita kiwe kinomi kmat den takadau nakapos kapor kabangi penong programs ngiju hikai ki phangke leadership skills nang ta ki different types of training ngi hikai ki yumno bikin nong shlor ka ai bikin man rai ki issues jong ki sakmat khnang ba kata ka issues jong ki khna bikin yi da kasnong baka issues ka bakanwan kamde tan ki bahe andre ki issues ka dei ka wan ki khna ru khnang baki bahe bahan kin consider ya kata ki issues ka bawan ki khna jong kane ka campaign ka bangi launch man ta ka singi ro ka long kuma fil I ka theme ka dei ka campaign ka dei who can protect me I and V mut mano banyana yanga mut mga wana phi hapo jong ka padang don sakawe ka sub team ka bangi ong strengthening safe environment for children ka mut ka ai ka pan lo yangi bangi la ikani ka campaign ka long ba yi kwa ba ki khna ru kin yo ya kata ka jaka ba kin Ialehkai kuma fil I man ta ki pun ki playgrounds ne ki football grounds ba ki khna kem yo shuban Ialehkai kila sha khanglat hakiwe ki jaka ka ni ka long ka bangi la ka we ka kia sakaba ki khna ki ong namis ki kwa ban Ialehkai tamba ki ong ngim yo jaka man Ialehkai tingi kili ki fitan football ground em hane te ki ong ngidon tamba kasnong kam sha ngi ban Ialehkai andre Ialehkai hang taru gi hapsiu te kani ka long ka ban rai ka jing ai ki khna ka namar kum ki khna ki kwa hi em ban ki Ialehkai hanrai kani ka pun long badai ki khna kin khanglat no ba kin Ialehkai te kani campaign jungi badai ka long ka bangin ngin aware ngin pentip ki pet ba ngin dei ban I space ki khna because ki khna kin hande ka pon bikin Ialehkai so kachaka ya ki khna ro ka don kam ha bikin enjoy ka ta ka childhood children to ki mo te tang kam ta hi